Congratulations, your dependent child resident visa has been approved po.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Thank you. Wait lang, hindi ko pa ma-process.
Again, I am one of the managers of SDH, and we are calling you today because we just received an important update from immigration just today. And congratulations, your dependent child resident visa has been approved po.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes. Ano yung pakiramdam natin ngayon, ma'am, na finally na-approve na po yung inaasam niyo pong visa?
Wait lang, hindi pa ako makasigaw.
Yes, take your time, ma'am. So, ano yung pakiramdam natin ngayon?
Grabe
Laila.
nakaka-overwhelm. Thank you. Oh my God. Wait lang, hindi ko pa ma-process.
Paano niyo po pala nakilala yung SDH, ma'am?
Yung father ko po nag-send ng link through yung Facebook page niyo po. Sabi, itry daw namin dito kasi nagbe-base po kasi talaga kami dun sa mga immigration advisor. Nagbe-base po kami sa mga feedback ng clients. So far po, na-encourage kami dahil dun sa mga feedback ng client na pinopost niyo po, ganun. Tapos, yung time to time na pag-update talaga, very helpful. Last time yung nag-work tayo with the Monday.com, sobrang helpful nun kasi alam lang namin po kung saan namin titingnan yung update. Siguro more of like nag-base kami doon sa social media impact nyo po.
Okay. So that's good po na despite you have known us through Facebook, but the trust you have given to us is nandoon po talaga. So, ano po yung pinakamalaking challenge naman na na-encounter niyo during the process, and how did SDH help you, especially your advisor, Miss Liana? Ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa pag-assist po niya sa application niyo po?
Thankful naman ako kasi kahit may mga times na ayoko nang asikasuhin, ayoko nang ituloy, pero nire-remind pa din ako ni Miss Leona na, Ma'am, this is urgent. Ma'am, this is baka kaya po today, ganyan. Very helpful sila kasi kahit may mga times na nawawalan na ng pag-asa yung client nila, nire-remind pa rin nila ng nire-remind.
So, do you think, is it important po na meron talagang isang advisor na nag-guide, nagre-remind sa inyo about your application and what to update, what to do?
Yes, super. First is, may nag-guide talaga sa'yo. Yun yung pinaka-vital role talaga ng may advisor ka. Expertise na yan ng tao na ganyan, or expertise na yan ng SDH itself. So, alam na nila ang process, alam na nila ang gagawin. Yung guidance nila, yun yung pinaka-importante sa mga client na nag-hope na sana may makapasok sa ganito, sana ma-approve na ganito.
Yes po. So, do you have any message to Miss Leona right now?
First time, sorry, kasi minsan ang hirap kong makontak. Second is, super duper thank you to Miss Leona and the SDH team.
Okay. So, you're welcome, ma'am. And thank you so much dahil despite po sa sinabi niyo kanina, still you tried your best, ma'am, para matugunan talaga yung hinihingi ng immigration. So, thank you for that cooperation again. Ano po yung pinakaunang gagawin niyo po pagdating niyo po ng New Zealand?
First is, mag-a-adjust, mag-aaral ng lahat, the system, yung environment. Kasi, sure na sure ako mako-culture shock ako knowing na malayo ang environment ng New Zealand to Philippines. So, more likely, mag-e-enjoy muna siguro po ako before ako
Yes.
do working or schooling. Depende kung ano po ang available opportunity.
Yes, spend quality time with the family before anything else. Do you have any message to our kapwa Pinoy na gusto na ding pumunta like you, ma'am, to reunite with your father, your families in New Zealand?
Siguro keep on dreaming kung talagang gustong-gusto niyo yan. And let the SDH do the work for you.
Yeah. Thank you for that, ma'am. Thank you for that message. Okay. In behalf of the entire SDH team, we are so thankful for the trust that you have given to us, especially to your father. We wish you all the best in New Zealand together with your family, Ma'am Laila. Okay. And thank you so much for your time. We're so happy that your dependent child resident visa has been approved po.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Yes po. Welcome po, and have a great day, Ma'am Laila. God bless.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.